So the question is that, is learning Airtable worth it? By the way, I already have my course on Skillshare and Udemy. Udemy, you can buy like the course for $99, or you can get on sale for $12. But I will recommend check the link in the description box below of Skillshare. Skillshare, you sign up for a trial, like you don't have to pay anything. You sign up for a 14-day trial, you get free access to unlimited courses from all of the tutor on Skillshare. I already made a Airtable in-depth course. I love Airtable. Airtable is most revolutionary product. Like, I mean, every day there's a new app startup. When once I started using Airtable, I stopped using To-Do. I stopped using OneNote. Back, like, I use OneNote to keep track of my books. In 2020, I read 74 books. But it's very hard. Like, if I wanna view like which book was my favorite, it's very hard to put rating in OneNote. It's very hard. Like, I mean, it's very hard to filter the data or visualize the data. I love Airtable. Like, only the downside of the Airtable is that you can apply function, but it applied to the entire column, which is called the record in Airtable. You cannot apply it to a specific cell. But other than that, you can do a lot of stuff. You can build a inventory. You can build a tracking, like, you can have a base for tracking this stuff. You can add Google Maps. You can install apps. Even you can build website with Airtable. But the learning curve for Airtable is also very easy. It's nothing high. Airtable is a spreadsheet and a database. I mean, I use Airtable for my blogging, my outing journal. I use Airtable for the video production management. I use Airtable a lot. I want to write article. I put my data in Airtable. For my market business Africa, the video I'm going to make, the country I'm going to research, like Angola, what is their best export. I use Airtable. Airtable. Like, it's not that I have a course. Okay, it's also that I have a course on Airtable. Why I have a course? Because I use Airtable so much that I become expert. Like, not like, of course I don't want to call myself expert, but I use Airtable. Like, I don't know. I spend like hundreds and hundreds hours in Airtable. I love Airtable. That's why I now say, I think you don't have to upgrade to the Plus or Pro plan. But if you wanna install app, you have to upgrade to the Pro plan. It will cost you $20 per month annually, or you wanna just pay per month $24, which allow you to install the apps. I mean, Airtable is one of the most revolutionary product. Yeah, that will be my opinion. Subscribe and bye. Check out my outing journal, online travel magazine. I love travel writing. Not only that, I also applied the travel journalism license. I hope I can get it soon. Now, check out my outing journal travel YouTube channel, where I love to make travel video, travel vlog. Also check out my Market Business Africa channel, where I make videos from my personal business experience of doing business in Africa. Now, if you wanna learn some coding, if you wanna build game design, if you wanna learn game design, build JavaScript 2D games, you can do a nano degree. There will be a link in the description box below. Or if you are into more of a digital marketing, cybersecurity, product management, you can do the nano degree from Udacity. Personally, I have done 2 nano degree, one in digital marketing in 2020, and in 2015, around 6 years ago, I did an introduction to programming nano degree. But why stop there? You can also check out my courses on Udemy, such as an introduction to SEO, the pursuit of happiness, or anger and stress management. Right now I have nearly 20 students and my ratings are quite good. So just hop down and check out all of the links. I will be very thankful.